Hey guys, welcome back to Jan's Trading. And it's been a long time I haven't done a YouTube video because of my commitments. I've been shifting my home, and then I had to go to my hometown. It was a really rough 2 months. Some of my family members were COVID positive, so I had to stop my YouTube for some time. And man, it's really good to be back because when I came back and I when I stopped YouTube, I think it was near to 100 subscribers now. Without doing any videos, all of a sudden it jumped to 125. So thank you so much for whoever has subscribed to this channel. Really delighted, and yeah, let's get started with the next week's opportunities. All right, let's talk about Nifty. Now, Nifty has been super bullish from quite a long time. Now, I've been getting a lot of question on is the bullish run getting over? Now, looking at the technicals, the simple answer is no. It's not getting over. Now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, usually how the bullish run moves is like you have an impulse move, and then you have a pullback. You have an impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback, so on and so forth, right? Now look at this one. Impulse move up, pull back, impulse move up, a minor pause, and impulse move up. Is there any way we are getting any indication that the market is planning to go down? No, right? So what we can expect is that we can expect a pullback. That's it. And pullback could be till over here, till the previous structure over here. So when you understand this part, then we can wait for the, I wouldn't be interested in going for a put option on this. I'll be interested in going for a call option. Now when I'll be interested is if the market does do a pullback over till here, and then I'll be looking for some kind of a pattern. Once I have that pattern, then I'll be looking on for the call option. And yes, if the market is going up, the first target will be for me at this highs. And if it is breaking this high, then what we can expect is the market to do a move up till 18,000. You could say that I'm keeping that as an even handle number, which is right over 1.272 Fibonacci level extension. Now that could be a trend termination level. Now trend termination, that does not mean that the market is going to fall down from here massively. That is not what a trend termination what I meant. Trend termination, what I meant is once the impulse move up, and then when we have a pullback, for that I mentioned as the trend termination. So we can expect the market to go up till 127 over here if we have a break and close above this high, right? Now we shouldn't be worrying about anything until the market is in this range. If it breaks below this, then yes, it could do a pullback. And by the way, if you want to know when the market actually does a reversal of a whole trend, then I have a video on that. I'll be putting that on the description as well as on the I mark, which is there on the right top corner. You can go ahead and check that. You will easily understand how to identify the trend reversal, right? So that's what I'm saying on Nifty. Now looking at Bank Nifty has made a new high. We have a break and close above the previous structure, but the break and close was not with a great closing. Like we have a indecision candle, so we can expect some kind of a pullback over here. Now till where we can expect, we have a minor structure over here, right? It is almost equivalent to, we can say that there are quite a lot of structures over there. If I pull this a little more down, we have market testing over here, and then multiple times the market has played around over there as well. So you can expect the market to do a pullback till here and then probably go up from there, right? So this is what I'm expecting on Bank Nifty. If it is shooting up, then let me see, we can look for Yeah, we can take from this swing, we can take our extension tool, swing high to swing low. Yeah, 38,610. Now why I'm always targeting 127 is we do not have any previous structures over here. This is the highest the bank nifty has gone. So yeah, you can say that it can go up to 1414, 1618, but before hitting that it has to hit the 127 over there. So how I trade is that if I'm seeing that there is a very strong bullish candle, okay, a bullish candle, it should be a green one, okay. If we have a very strong bullish candle at 127, then I expect it to go even more further high, testing 1414. But if I get any kind of a reversal signal, let's say a bearish pin bar or a shooting star, something like this, then I don't expect it to go all the way to 1618. Right. So this is what I'm expecting on bank nifty. Let's look one more chart from the Indian market, that is the Reliance. Now Reliance, it has been in a good up move, and then we have this double top over here. We have signs of RSI divergence as well, but this is just a formation of the market. We get the confirmation once we have a break and close below the structure. Once we have the break and close below the structure, we can expect the market to do some kind of pullback over here. Now why I'm saying this is look left, we have the structure which is giving us a clue over there, and also we can pull up our Fibonacci retracement tool, and then we can draw from swing low to swing high, and we have 50% lining up right over there, right? So this is something which I'm expecting if the double top is holding up. Now if it is breaking up this high, then obviously we can use our extension tool, low to high and back to where we started. We can expect the market to go at least to 1.272. So this is what I'm expecting in the Reliance Industries over here. Now I'm expecting Reliance to do more of a pullback. The reason being, one is definitely this is a double top formation, and the other one is if you see it in the weekly chart, we have a shooting star over here, right? We have a shooting star followed by a lower low, lower close candle. Both are indicating that the market has the potential to go down further. So on top of that, we have the double top formation, and once we have a break and close below the neckline, like how I mentioned before over here, this is the neckline which we wanted to break and close. Once we have that, then only I'll be worried about that the market is going down. If not, probably it might do some kind of consolidation, and then again it might go further high. We'll never know about that. We need to wait and watch. But for now, this is something which I'm looking at. If the low is breaking, then we can expect a pullback until here. Till here. We can put up a range over here, maybe to 50 to 618, I guess. Yeah. This is the range I feel. This is the range I get it. So we can expect the market to come till this range and then again head up higher from here. So that's about Reliance. Let's look at some Forex market. I'm on the gold chart daily time frame, and if you look at the price action right now where the market has stopped, just let me put a horizontal line, and you can see that market has tested that same area multiple number of times, right? So also we even got a spinning top. Now this indicates that there is something interesting going on over here. And if you go down to the lower time frame, we have the double bottom. Now double bottom at the structure, we also have the rising or a bullish divergence, right? Now all this is indicating that the market has the potential to go and do a pullback over till here. Looking left, we have structures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are chances that the market could do a pullback till here. The only problem what I'm seeing is we do not have any candle confirmation as of now. Once we have a confirmation, we can go ahead for an early entry over here. Now this can be a little risky. You need to be comfortable doing a pullback trading, but yeah, if it happens, then we can also take out the Fibonacci level just to see where to get our target levels. We can see that it has tested 618 over here multiple number of times, the previous structure. And yeah, look more left and you can see we can create a zone over here. We might get a good risk to reward on this one. This is the zone which I'm creating over here. Now if we get a higher high, higher close candle, probably we can get a decent amount of risk to reward on this one. So this is one opportunity which I'm looking for in gold in the next week. NZDCAD, we have another good opportunity over here. We have a pattern which is ending right at the structure to A to B, B to C, and CD completion over here. And the completion happened right over the structure over here, right? And also I've been waiting for this pattern. Only thing is I missed it, but again the market has given me another confirmation for this one, so we'll talk about that. So this is the completion point of this pattern, and also we have this AB equal to CD pattern. Now that is not exactly which is getting over there, but it is close enough, right? It is market, it's never perfect. And also if we can get extension to see whether it's a trend termination, we have 1414 over here which is getting terminated right at the structure. So everything is telling me that the market has the potential to do another pullback over here. Also if you see this move, that has been a strong impulse move, so we can expect a good amount of pullback for this one. Now the target position for this will be, you can go ahead and take it from A to D, the Fibonacci retracement. The first target you can take it out at 382, and the second target you can take it at 618. Now how do you take advantage of this pattern is, what I've seen here is we got, I think in the 4-hour time frame, yeah, we had a descending triangle over here. So this is the descending triangle. Now if you want to re-enter, probably you could wait for another pattern over here, and then you can go ahead and take out the profit at 382. Stop loss, now I cannot tell you about the stop loss according to the pattern. It has to be about the structure level. Now that is going to be a huge stop loss if you're going to take out your target at 382. But if you see any reversal signal over here, the stop loss could be kept over here as well. Now that depends upon if you're getting the reversal signal somewhere in this area. If you get over there, then you can keep the stop loss over here. If your reversal signal is even more higher, then you need to adjust your stop loss accordingly. So this is one of the reason I won't be able to tell where to keep the stop loss right now. But one thing what I can say is I'll be trying to short this market until I have a break and close about this one. If I have that, then I will check it. The pattern gets invalidated if it breaks this X mark. If it breaks this X, then this whole pattern is of no use. All you can do is right click and remove all drawings. This is the best thing you can do, and that happens. Not every time the market has to do what we are expecting it to do, right? So that's about NZDCAD. Let's look at one more chart. All right, I'm on the USDCHF chart on the daily time frame, and there is another pattern opportunity on this one. I'm not sure how many of you have seen this, but there is a W pattern over here. So X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion over here, right? It will be less than that for sure. Yeah, you can keep it over there. And also that is not just one reason why I'm interested to short. Multiple reasons are there. One is, yes, we do have one structure over here. That is one reason. We might have AB equal to CD also, I guess, since I'm looking at in this close-up. You can just look at it. Yeah, almost equal to it. Not almost, it is equal to it, but again, it's not necessary that the market has to test this and go down. It can play around and then probably come down, or I can be completely wrong as well. Anything can happen. That's the reason why you need to understand the whole of the market scenario. You cannot just blindly trust the pattern and then take the trade. So we are we are like detectives here. We are trying to take out the clues where and understanding where to put our stop loss, where we should be trying to enter. So the entering part is something which I'm looking at right now. So we have this AB equal to CD pattern, and also if we have a 127, yeah, we have 127 which is lining up over there, and all is suggesting that the market could go up to that level. We have a strong bullish signal as well, so it could go up to this 127 level and then probably come down. So how do we take advantage of this one? Let's say we have the market going up till there, doing some kind of reversal. So I'm drawing this reversal pattern. Reason being, I don't want you to expect the market has to immediately turn around from here. It could go a bit more higher and then probably come down from here. So this is something which I'm expecting from USDCHF. So these are my next week's opportunity. I hope you like them, and if you did, do hit that like button and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And if you are already my subscribers, thank you so much. It has been great seeing that my YouTube channel is growing regardless of the very small amount of videos I have kept. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.